Some more thoughts on the appointment of the new Reggae Boyz head coach, Hamer Hallgrimson. Well done to the JFF, but the work is not yet done. We all know the unique psychology of Jamaicans when it comes to football. The JFF needs to inform the coach that in Jamaica, the national coach is not just a national coach. He will have to help to sell the football to the wider public, to potential sponsors, and even to the government. They need to take Coach Hallgrimson to formally meet all the government officials, the Minister of Sport, the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Opposition, the Governor General, the whole shebang. The JFF needs to contact the private sector organization of Jamaica and arrange a meeting with the corporate movers and shakers. Based on what we have heard from the coach so far, they also need to encourage Coach Hallgrimson to do as much interviews with the Jamaican media as possible. Yes. Talk to the Jamaican public as much as you want, coach. Just talk. And last but not least, the JFF need to get Coach Hallgrimson a cap. Yeah, man, a cap. Yeah, cap. And write these words on the cap. Yes.